We are on the series of push notification with Firebase. In the previous video, we have created the Firebase app and integrated the google.services.json file from there into our Android project. Now, these are the list of tasks we are going to perform furthermore. So, first of all, we need these 4 dependencies. Let's add them one by one. The first one is Firebase messaging. We have here, it is open. So let's install it. The terminal. I have already installed the package. So this is the second package, Firebase core. This is the third one, Firebase local notification, and this is the fourth one, device info plus. You're gonna need these 4 packages for the notification. The other packages don't need any special permission or a special configuration except this package, our Flutter local notification. So we need to configure little more with this package. First of all, install this package, and we need some other configuration to maintain. So in the build.gradle file on app level, this is the app level build.gradle file. We need to configure the source compatible target compiler Java 1.8. Okay, this is done. If it is not there, you need to put it there. We need to enable the multitext enabler. So in the default configuration, I have already done it. You configured it here. Okay, if your minimum SDK version is greater than 21, without enabling the multitask, it works fine. But if it is below the 21, 20 or 90 or something, then you need to configure the multitask. And there is another library. This is generally for the schedule notification and backward compatibility, but if you are not going to handle that in your app, you can skip this library. Okay, let's edit for now. Go to below in the libraries for notification, add this library. I think this is a recent version 2.0.2. Let's add that. I think you need to sync the project. Also in the app level build.gradle file, we need to ensure that our Gradle is at least minimum to 4.2.2. so let's check that too. Build.gradle file, okay, it is 7.2.0. we are okay with that. Now coming below, sometimes this adding this dsugar library, it causes some error. So to fix that, we need to add this libraries too in the app build.gradle file. Add this libraries too. What's gone wrong here? Okay, it is now sync your Gradle file. Okay, is there anything else? Okay, yeah, the compile SDK version must be the latest one. Go to what here is compile SDK version 32, make it 33. Latest one. Also the target SDK version to the same. Sync the project. No? Okay, we are done with that. We can close the Android part window. Okay, so we added the necessary dependencies. For other, there is no any special things to do rather than Flutter local notification. We checked the necessary setup for this plugin also. Now furthermore, in next part we will initialize our Firebase app. Okay, let's do that.